Move the sky home and beautify the entire community. This time, our project is located in Jade Scape. The owners are a couple who are usually busy with their careers. When they are at home, they hope to fully relax. We mainly create an atmosphere from the lighting. This lamp has a shape similar to a UFO, giving a strong sense of technology. Its surface is glittering and translucent, taking up no space and giving no sense of depression. It is called the vault light. It supports adjustment of light and color by mobile phone, as well as custom color adjustment on the panel. It comes with 6 preset natural light effects of the sky, namely dawn, sunrise, northern lights, quiet night, sunset, and rosy cloud. The vault light is divided into 2 structures. The middle layer of blue sky and sunlight is half a moo of a pond is like a mirror, with sky and clouds reflected together. It allows you to see the blue sky as soon as you raise your head. The outer ring of color layer can adjust color temperature and brightness, fully illuminating your space. Looking up at the vault, we can explore the 4 seasons. Whether you want to see the sunrise light in Maldives at 8 o'clock, the rosy cloud light in Provence in the evening, or the northern lights in Tromsø late at night. The distant places you haven't visited and the poems you haven't read can all be brought home by the vault light. This lamp meets the RG0 standard, has no blue light to protect the eyes, and has an anti-glare index below 19, meeting the national standard for classrooms. Both technology and aesthetics are beautiful beyond description. The owner praised, "The vault light has given greater value to my ceiling. It really subverts the beauty of space and makes coming home a little mysterious and expectant."
Leave a comment in the comment section to learn more about the vault light's cool color functions.